Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, all over the world, wherever you are. I just want to say hi, how are we doing? This is a day to the new year, and I really want to say it's been a great time. It's been a great year, and God has been so, so good. So today I really want to share with us something. I received a lot of requests about how I do my videos. I wasn't thinking it was so great, but I got feedback that it was good, and some people want to know more about how I make my videos. So I'm just going to show you briefly what I majorly use to make my video. The software is called Canva. Um, I highly recommend Canva because it has a lot of benefits. I'm not paid to do this. I'm just sharing with you what I use. Of course, I wish to become Canva affiliate later, but for today, it's not sponsored. I am only saying or just showing you what I used for my videos. So let me quickly just share my screen. Once you go to canva.com, you can sign up. There's a free version of Canva, and there are so many things you can do with Canva. So I'm just going to show you briefly things I have done using Canva and how I do my videos using Canva, just to answer the questions I have received. In fact, I also use Canva to like do slides when I'm told to teach in church sometimes on fellowship. So I kind of arrange my slides because it's kind of easy to work with, type what I want, and pull in pictures that will help to showcase what I need to do. And then I just share my screen. Right now, I'm using Zoom to do the recording, and then I upload, to the YouTube. So that's how I do this. Let me go through. Okay, like if I also want to do my friend's birthday, um, yeah. So like birthday invitation, I also use it for birthday invitation. That's my very good friend on her 50th. So I also use Canva for my work project, Lisbon Consult. Yeah, I just, pull in the pictures that I want to showcase and I write what I just put my logo and yeah, that's it. Also, if you do not know, you can use as a student, you can also use it for your portfolio. Also used it for my CV as well. Yeah, you could put colors in work history. It makes it look fanciful because there's so many samples, you know, that you can pull on. So this is my CV and I've done it with Canva. I even put pictures of my awards and things like that. So this is how I use Canva. I've also used Canva for my school assignment when I was in TMU. When we're given assignment in materials and methods, I decided to use Canva. And it's nice. Just for the cover of the page, I did other things, with PDF, and then I love PDF to merge them together. So yeah, I use Canva for like my profile, putting things together from what I have done in the past. Lisbon Consult and not few other places. I think this is just for Lisbon Consult. I also use Canva to do flyers on my Facebook page. This Canva as well for my family. I've not even printed it yet, but I just made it for 2024. So they have already made templates, for calendars. For wedding like anniversary invitation, for your church too, if you want to have an outing and things like that, you can do a lot with it. So without taking much of our time, Let's get started. This is also one I did for Olive Tree Parish. I found this a pastor's picture online, which I love, and I pulled it in, and it came out nice. So yeah, there are so many things you can do with Canva. So yeah. This one is also from it. So anyway, let's get started with today. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up, like the videos, and please forward to your friends. And if you know people that are saying, I like to do birthday greetings and things like that, please forward to them so that they can learn how to do it, because I'm getting a lot of like requests. Oh, I need to do video. I need to, show my wife how much I love her. I need to do this and do that. Yes, it's taking a long time for me to do and to respond to everybody. So I thought, let me share. If after you listen to this, you didn't really get it quite well, or you still want me to do it, then you will have to pay for me to do it. So I've created, I've gone on Fiverr. It's not going to be too expensive. Go on Fiverr and book me from Fiverr. Yeah, they had me right. Book me on Fiverr because I'm getting too many requests. I can't cope. So I'm teaching you how to do it and how you too can make money with Canva using Fiverr. So we're going to get to it. Let's get started. Now, I've told you there's so many things I use Canva for. There are so many. I don't even know where to start. But what is important is that you need to know that this is not difficult to do at all. It's not difficult at all. You can even add music to it. So let's get started. Yeah, also most people asked me how I made this as well. It's just my picture. Just give me a minute. For example, now this, you can see me on the screen. You can do print screen, right? Cut yourself, copy there, come back here and paste, Control V. You are there. If I put it in, that is me, okay? Aside this, you can see that if I detach this image, detach image. If you don't want a square, if you come to elements and type in, let's say, frames, there are different types of frames. You have the circle, you have the, if I say see all, you will see different types. So all these things can actually, for example, if I pull this here and I pull this picture, it takes the shape of that thing. If I don't want that shape and I want let's say a triangle, or I don't even want a triangle. Let's say I want a star. Or a perfect circle. No. Any shape you want is it, really. Or I want it to look like I'm in a phone. I just detach this and put it in the phone, and I'm there. So whatever you want whatever you want it is just there. And for these likes, they are in the element as well. Let's say subscribe. So, right. If I don't want this type of subscribe again, I can do this. This is a type of subscribe, and I can make it small. I can even do this. So if you want to see all the graphics, you see, this person, I think I even like this one that is shaking like this parrot. So I'm going to add it today to my video, okay? So subscribe, that's it. If I want to say like, if I go to see all, I will see if there's anyone that is moving. I really like it to be moving. So I take the one I have there before away. notification. If I want to say like, I can use this style. You see, that's even better. I like that. Yeah. So comment, if I want to say comment, you can type it in and you will also see it. And choose see all. Comment below. Yeah, I like that. Comment below. I remove this one. So it's just there. So now I don't like the way I look there. So let me do another one. Print screen. Okay. Paste. Yeah, like that. So done. See? Yeah. Let me see if there's anything about notification bell. Notification. Let me say see all. Okay, I think I like the one I've chosen. Let me use the blue one because almost all the things I put there are blue, have blue in them. Yeah, so we've made it. So all in, I have a lot of pictures here. You know, when I talked about what topic was this? Okay, how to maximize your potential. So now what is going to happen is, if you want to remove this, all you need to do is to say share. Uh, Share. So I want to download it, okay? So I want it to be a video, so not a PDF. I want it to be MPV, yeah. And the page I want the current page. So I'll untick all of it and say current page, done. Download, that's it. So you have that page and you can always slot it into your videos. So yeah, that's it. So it's downloading now and then you can see it later. I'm going to show you how it looks. But while that is downloading, I'm just going to show you other things. Okay. Last week as well, somebody did say they wanted to say hi. I did my husband's video for his birthday surprise. The video I uploaded using the upload button here, and it's somewhere here. I just pulled it in. And the way I showed you how to do it the other way, I mean, like I had it in a circle when I posted, but I can also change this. Let's say detach video, right? If I don't want this, I remove the love shape. I come back here to elements and I also say frame because you are framing your video, right? But the one you can do it for cannot be a very long video, maybe like 5 minutes video or something. So if I say I say frame. So if I want it to be circle or triangle or let me see. Yeah, let's just try this. I don't like. Okay, let me use the circle. Okay, I want it to be big like that and right here. So I just pull it in. Ta-da! You got it. So get the background you want, put all the information you want, pull your video through the upload. There are so many things that Canva can do. I just decided to, yeah, this is a wedding anniversary of one of my aunties. I did this for their wedding. I mean, they selected the music they wanted, and that's it. So I'm not going to show too much of that. There are other ways also that you can use it, you know, like using it for save the date. So many things. Happy Father's Day. Even for church, you know, like if you want to post things on your church website or things like that, you can just also use Canva. Divine Rest, that was in 2020. Yeah. Let's assume you're doing Holy Communion in church. You can do flyers, you know. So Any question about Canva, please leave your questions in the comment below. I hope to be able to do more videos on Canva in the next year. One way you can make money from Canva, there are so many ways, but one of the ways I'm discussing today, I will discuss others later, is by also using this template, going on Fiverr. There is a website called Fiverr. So I have registered myself on it. I've only done, I think, few on it. So I've only made $66 on it. But if I was consistent, of course, I'll make more money. But you can go on Fiverr, register on Fiverr, and I'll leave a link to Fiverr below. Register on Fiverr, and whatever skills you've learned on Canva, you can bring it to Fiverr, and people will get to see you, and then you can share your links with people to showcase what you can do, and yeah, make some money. I mean, I passively just did that, I made the 66. I wasn't really serious about it. But I think in the next year, I need to do what I preach by going on, being active on Fiverr. You will say Fiverr is just $5, $10 is really cheap, $10, $20. But $20, you know how much that is. If you steal $5, you will be held responsible. But this is a cool way of making extra income using Canva. And also, if you sign up as affiliate, which I am myself, I'm going to do, then when you show people, you send your affiliate link to people for Canva, when they sign up, you get paid as well. So I think there are so many ways. We're going to talk about Canva next year. But for now, this is just answering people who have asked me, how do I do my videos, and honestly, I just use the Zoom as I'm recording now. I'm recording, as I'm speaking to you, I'm recording, and then I download it and upload to YouTube. So it's as simple as that. If you have any question again about my video recording, editing, please feel free to put it in the comment below, and I will be answering this by God's grace next year. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe, to like, and forward to your friends. And if you think you don't really still get it, how to put things together, I will offer more videos on this, but then feel free to use my Fiverr service. Thank you so much for watching. And I want to thank those subscribers that just joined us recently. Thank you so much. We are still moving on, and we thank you for your support. It means a lot to me personally. Thank you. God bless you. Have a fantastic new year. We only have few more, just few hours to go. I saw a poster somebody sent recently, and it was yesterday. And the person said, it's a very important, very special announcement. Hey, everybody, special announcement, drum roll, pa, 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 pa. And then the person said, please tell your friends and family not to go out around 11:59 p.m. Why? Because if you go out around 11:59 p.m. on the 31st of December, if care is not taken, you are coming back in next year. That is so funny. Yes, and that is true. If you go out at 11:59, you are definitely most likely coming back after 60 seconds. And that is in the new year. So be careful. Thank you so much, and have a fantastic 2024.